Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Here's a lesson on algebra where we begin fooling around with cubes. You can see them here. All right, so x plus 1 cubed, x plus 2 cubed, x plus 3 cubed, x plus 4 cubed. We're just playing around. What happens if I take x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1? So here's x plus 1 times x plus 1, which we should know already. X plus 1 squared is x squared, 2x, and 1. And that'll be one factor. And then the other factor is going to be x plus 1 again. And when we multiply it all out, it's going to be 1, 3, 3, 1. X to the third plus x squared plus 3x plus 1. And then we do another one, and another one, and another one. Build them, count them, and see if we can find any patterns. And let's see here. Well, we see this is all 1, 1, 1. But here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12. Well, what should come next? 15. These are easy. That's a cube. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. This pattern is a little harder to discover, though. Let's see here. This is 3, 12, 27, 48. What number should come next? See, above all, mathematics is predictive. So once we can discover the pattern, we should be able to see what number should come next. And what do these have in common? Let's see, 3, 12, 27, 48, and 75. Well, if you look over here, the kid figured it out, is that this 3 is just whatever that number is squared times 3. Interestingly enough, isn't it? So here is 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27, etc. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 3 is 75. See, we didn't have to do the math. We can predict what will come next. And I think you can see the next one's going to be, well, you tell me what's the next one going to be. X to the third, how many x squared, how many x, and how many units. And remember, these are all cubes. So this would be x plus 6 cubed. What would be the next one? And then let's go the other way. Let's go down and go x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x minus 3. Build those and count those and see what they look like. And oh, look, it's still 1, 3, 3, 1, but these all turn negative. These stay positive, and these go negative. Interesting. See, there's no substitute for experience, and a child gets experience by playing with the numbers. If they've never seen these before, if they see x to the third, 9x squared, 27x and minus 27, they should look at that and go, oh, that's a cube. They should be able to look at that one and go, oh, that's a cube. You should be able to look at this one. Like when you see 12, 48, 64, that's a cube. And I want to point out that the child that was doing this was also practicing subtraction. Right, practicing taking away from 100 at the same time as we were doing this quote-unquote advanced algebra. Now, we'll do the difference of two cubes and the sum of two cubes, and there'll be more video for that. We were fooling around with cubes over here, drawing them and so forth, and you can see some pictures over here in the corner. But basically, what you see here is designed for 7, 8-year-old kids. Right? They've played around with these enough that this isn't hard or scary. It's just fun. We're just counting and discovering patterns. It's a completely different way of doing mathematics. I think you'll agree that once you take a look around my website and blog, that there isn't a better way for teaching mathematics to your kids than this method. Base 10 blocks make math easy and fun. Check out Crewton Ramone's House of Math for more.